Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the evaporator cover on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new evaporator cover for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Since we will be working with the fridge's electrical components, disconnect power to the refrigerator. Start by opening the freezer door. Then pull the upper drawer forward and tilt it up and out. Remove the lower drawer by pushing it back slightly, then tilt the front up and out. In order to make filming this easier, we will be removing the freezer door. You do not have to remove the freezer door to complete this repair. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the 2 bolts holding the evaporator cover in place. Then pull the evaporator cover towards you, being careful as it is still connected by wires. Disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tabs. If the cover is frozen in place, open the freezer door and unplug the refrigerator, allowing it to thaw. If you need to purchase a new evaporator cover, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. The evaporator cover comes as an assembly that includes the fan motor cover, and felt kit. These parts can be replaced individually, but in order to replace the cover, the entire assembly must be purchased. To install, insert the cover into the freezer compartment and reconnect the electrical connector. Then, press until it seats back into place and reinstall the screws. To install the lower drawer, insert it at an angle, making sure it sits beneath the support glide rail. Then, pull the drawer forward so that the tabs align with the retainers on the slide rails. Make sure that the front of the basket is beneath the lip. To install the upper drawer, align the rear guide wheels on the drawer to the top of the support glide rail in the freezer compartment. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.